Goma. You have two Carlitos Sigon Reyna movies here. They are Hihintayin Kita sa Langit, Ikaw Pa Lang Ang Minahal. By the way, I have to be honest, in order to get the right question for this, because I didn't know what to ask, I called up, I texted Lucy Torres, and she asked Goma, and then we went back and forth. And unbelievably, it's about, I'm going to ask about Don Zulueta and the chemistry that they had for that movie, which is Off the Roof. Nung una bang sinabi sa'yo na magiging partner mo si Don, did you think that she was fit for the role, she was good for the role?
Alam ko at that time na magaling na artista si Don Zulueta, but hindi ko pa siya nakatrabaho. Although I remember we did one commercial. It's either Sarsi or Coke or Diet Coke. Si dalawa yung ginawa namin. Hindi ko lang malam kung ano yung nauna sa dalawa. Nung binasa ko yung script na pinadala ni Derek Carlitos saka ni Armida Sigon Reyna, tapos nung sinabi nga na si Don Zulueta yung artista, sabi ko, ganda nun ah. Sabi ko, maitim, tapos payat. Ang ganda. Parang perfect dun sa role. Then, nag-meeting kami sa bahay ni Carlitos, nag-meet kami nila doon, in-explain ni Derek kung ano yung pelikula about. Eh, sinabi nga, it's an adaptation of Wuthering Heights. Sabi niya, sana basahin mo yung libro or kung makita mo yung movie that was shot in the 1930s. Kung kaya mo panoorin mo. But deep inside my mind, sabi ko, as an actor, ayoko maging copycat. So hindi ko lang sinabi kay Direk na hindi ko binasa yung libro. Hindi ko rin pinanood yung sinabi mo panoorin ko na pelikula na adaptation kasi I want to interpret the script. Depende kung ano yung gusto ng director at saka yung type ko na acting. And I was very happy to work on the set with Armida and Direk Carlitos kasi si Carlitos was such a technical director. And as a matter of fact, ang interest ko kasi before that time was really photography. So when I was looking at the shots of Carlitos, I go, master of Master of composition. Ang galing niya mag-compose ng scenes, gamitin niya yung landscape, and then ang kasama mo na cinematographer, si Romy Vitog. So it was a beautiful eksena all the time. Then our first shooting day, dinala niya kami sa Batanes. Oh, doon yata na in love si Don Zulueta sa akin. Oh. Huwag kayong mag-alala, si Lucy, mga 20 times niya pinanood yung Hintay Kita sa Langit. Oh. So alam na alam ni Lucy yung mga kissing scene namin Don Zulueta doon. So okay lang yan. No, but ang kagandahan doon aside from having a wonderful setup, alam mo yung naging product ng movie na to, Hintay Kita sa Langit, it has become a valuable tourism item for Batanes na hanggang ngayon, they still remember, pag pupunta yung mga tao doon, ito yung lugar kung saan nag-shooting si Richard tsaka si Don for Hintayin Kita sila. Hanggang ngayon, because I met the governor, but just last week, sabi niya hanggang ngayon, ginagamit pa namin yung Hintayin Kita sa Langit. So, it has become a valuable tourism material for that place. So, yung success ng pelikula, maraming klaseng success yung pelikula eh. Could be commercial success, ang laki ng kinita ng pelikula. The other success is, ang daming pinanalo na awards, no? Another success is, lumang-luma na yung pelikula, pero nababasa, napapanood pa natin hanggang ngayon. Ang daming klaseng success ng pelikula. So, depends on how you want to see it and how beautifully crafted a movie was made, no? On the part of Carlitos naman, hindi ko lang kung lahat tayo nakatrabaho na si Carlitos, pero doon ko nakita yung set na yung everyday organize yung eksena na gagawin namin, yung shots na gagawin, nakasulat lahat. Very detailed. So naging very efficient yung trabaho namin. Aside from the fact na si Carlitos tsaka si Armida Sigon Reyna araw-araw nag-aaway sa set. Dumudugo na yung kamay ni Carlitos dahil sa nervyos sa nanay niya. Pero tuloy pa rin yung trabaho namin. No, but si Carlitos on the side na sa pag-artista ko naman, I listen to my directors, to Joel, to other directors, no? So lahat sila I try to listen to their input kung paano gagawin yung eksena. Although si Direk Joey Reyes, matagal kami magkatrabaho to before kami gumawa ng pelikula. He was our head writer sa Palibhasa Lalaki for 12 years. At saka, in some years, doon pa lang kami gumawa ng pelikula. But ako kasi, I try to listen to what my director wants. Ayokong sabihin direct na, mali naman yung ginagawa mo sa sinasabi ko. So very important sa akin yung input ng director. Then ilalagay ko yung brand of acting ko naman. So ganun. I'm very fortunate to have worked with Don and Maricel dun sa isang pelikula naman namin. No?
Oh, yeah. Tatanungin nga kita, dagdag tanong. Ikaw pa lang ang minahal.
Yes.
Sabi niyo nga, lahat kayo mga suplado, supladito, supladita. Tapos ang lalakas ng personality. Panay kayo alpha.
Malakas.
Paano kayo nagkasundo-sundo
Alam
sa
mo,
set?
grabe yung set na yun. When you enter that set, hype yung energy talaga. Pagpasok mo, nandiyan si Charito Solis na super alpha. Diba? Na si Marcel Soriano, isang alpha. And then Armida Sigion Reyna, ang mega alpha. Diba? Si Carlitos, akala mo, tahimik yan, pero alpha rin yan, di ba? Ito pa si Richard Gomez, ako suplado rin to gago na to. Yung ganun ba? But when you enter the set, parang, grabe yung chemistry of all these people combined. And, it turned out na, when it comes to work, when it comes to acting, isa lang yung alpha doon, yung director namin. Na, yeah. So, but John, thank you so much. Director Lito, it was really a wonderful experience working with you, with Direct Joey Reyes, with wala na si Direct Joel eh. But having worked with these directors, with our producers, sila Rosel, si Ma'am Charo, alam mo, so that you'll know, yung unang pelikula ko, ito, dalawang, kasi nung panahon namin, maraming unang ginawa eh. Isa sa mga unang na pelikula na ginawa ko, Hindi Mo Kayang Tapakan with Miss Charo. Yan, under Via Hoffman Films. Yes. Oo. I was 16 years old then. And then yung unang script na binigay sa akin nung ako'y mag-aartista po in the 80s kay Mother Lily. Kasama ko si Douglas Quijano. Sabi ni Douglas Quijano kay Mother Lily, Mother, ito yung bagong artista, Richard Gomez. So, kunyari, ikaw si Mother. Oh, Warlight! Si Warlight, binigay yung script sa akin, di nakita ko. Scorpionites? Oh, wow! Scorpionites. Binasa ko yung Scorpionites. Sabi ko, tinawag si Douglas. Sabi ko, yung telepono, rotary pack. Dogs. Nabasa ko na. Oh, okay ba? Gusto mo ba? Hindi ko kaya to, Dogs. Bakit? Kasi maghuhubad ako dito eh. Hindi ko kaya to. Sige. The following day, sabi nila, balik tayo kay Mother Lily. Balik kami kay Mother Lily. Mother, ayaw ni Richard. Ayaw niya. Sabi ni Mother Lily, very good. Ayan, Warlight, tinawag ulit si Warlight. Bigay mo isang script dito, yung ayaw ni Galby Concepcion. Ayaw ni Galby Concepcion ng movie. Sabi ko, anong movie yun, Dogs? Kasi si Maricel at si William Martinez, sila talaga yung laugh team at the time. Third wheel na si Gabi, ayaw niya. So binigay yung script sa akin, Inday Bote. Wow. Which became a commercial success. So maswerte rin ako doon. So ganun, iba-ibang klaseng success meron sa pelikula. You know, yung first title role ko, hindi.
Which one?
Marami, hindi ko na maalala. Sa dami ng ginawa. Pero, one day, alam mo, Joan, gagawa rin ako ng pelikula kasi marami rin nakakatawa sa buhay ko eh. May ginawa pa akong super islaw. Na-hype yung special effects namin. No, pag lilipad ka, nakapatong ka sa...
Gawa ka ng libro.
Sa gano'n, But may first starring role was, yung sa akin lang yung Tuklao. Oo. And hintayin kita sa langit so that you'll know, after so many nominations, dami nominations, so, bago nung hintayin kita sa langit, sabi ko, kay Douglas, Dogs, hindi na pupunta sa Orian. Kasi bakit? Lagi naman ako nanonominate every year. Hindi rin ako nananalo. Parang ikaw pa. Ano lang taon, struggle talaga. Maasa ka, Richard Gomez, nominated for Best Actor. And the winner is Christopher De Leon, di ba? So, taon. And the winner is Philip Salvador. Bibigat nito. Sabi ko, Dogs, di na pupunta. Bakit? Natamad lang. Para ako nilalagnat eh. So that night, Sabi niya, pumunta ka na Oriental. Like, just be there kasi nominated ka. You have to give respect to the award giving. But of course, so I went there. Nakintong na. And the winner is Richard Gomez. naiyak talaga ako. Kasi after so many years na being nominated, eventually, binigay din ng Diyos. No, thank you. Yeah, dumating din. So thank you so much. This movie is really very memorable. Thank you so much. And I'm happy that people are still able to watch this and appreciate the movie and to be included in your list of 100 best Filipino films. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.